What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's been a while since I've done any type of room setup for my YouTube studio, and I don't really want to call it YouTube studio because this is basically just my room. But the last video I did, which was like a while back ago, I've changed a lot of things, and some things have stayed the same. But I thought I'd just make a video and kind of showed you exactly how I want it and how it is now, and why I love this way, and have been always trying to come to this point in my content in terms of how I do things, where things need to be, so I can easily grab it and go. So for those of you that don't know, this is my room. So I don't really have like a huge separate room that I can put things in and go into that room and do like my editing and all that. This is pretty much my bedroom slash YouTube studio. So to kind of show you what has changed, and then some things that pretty much has stayed the same, and talk a little bit more about what I didn't talk about before in my last video. I don't even remember if I posted one or not. If I did, this is a little bit different than that one. If I didn't, then this is a brand new video. So we're going to start off with my desk. So this is my current desk now. Now I've always been meaning to go in the way of the L-shaped desk style, but because I live in Alaska, trying to order something like that through Amazon is extremely expensive, or sometimes it's hard to do it because they won't ship to Alaska. And then me just going to simply like my Home Depot or Office Depot or Office Max, it's just they just want too much money for this type of desk. So when Amazon Prime Day popped around, I decided to see if there's any deals that I could have for a desk, and came across this one. So my last desk that I had was a brown and black rustic desk that was actually 63 inches long. This one's actually 59 inches long, so it's about 4 inches shorter, but it has the L shape here, which is what I like because it gives me more space lengthwise to put things on here without it getting in the way. So also what I love about it is that it's 4 inches smaller, that it also gives me a little bit more space in between when it comes to needing to get to the back of my computer. I can simply just take this, my light stand, and move it to the side or move it behind me, and I can get it in. I can do something really quick and then put it back without having to worry about tearing down half the side here to do that. That's why I've always wanted an L-shaped style desk that gave me that ability to do that. Now this one, when I bought it, I didn't know that it came with some other stuff on it. I was primarily looking at it in terms of shape and then shelves. So this has drawers. I meant to say drawers. This has 4 drawers. So I can put pretty much all like my cords, other things like that, knickknacks and things like this in here, and not have to worry about it getting in the way. Now, originally when I had this, I had my other desk, and then I had a nightstand kind of just pushed up against it, and because one was taller than the other, never really was even. So if I tried to put my camera on one side, it would kind of hang over, and I just didn't particularly like that. So that's why I wanted to get an L-shaped style desk. This gives me that ability to do that, but this also gives me shelves on the side. So I have 2 shelves that come along with it, which is actually kind of cool because all the other L-shaped desks that I was looking at didn't have this. This was just something that I thought when I bought it that it wouldn't have that, but when I put together, it's just an added bonus. So I can use this for storing my external hard drives. So I have 2 external hard drives there. Then I have some extras here. Then I can put like other gear here, like my case for my FX30. I could put my Nintendo Switch here. That's just a card reader for my FX30. And then here I could put like my controller. I have like a little smaller mount that I can also mount my FX32, and then like some other knickknacks. But what I love about this is it gives me the option to pretty much put everything I need to without it being in the way. So that's what I've been trying to do, and I'm very obsessed with kind of being organized. It's kind of part of my OCD, ADHD. I'm obsessed with organizing, keeping things neat and tidy. So this works perfectly fine for me. And yes, I know that it's black, so it will show a lot of, dust and all that, but I keep it clean and tidy. So if you want me to make a separate video talking about my PC in terms of what's in it, what I built it with, and how much it costs, leave a comment down below and I can talk about that. But this is the same PC I had before, just the internals are different. I also have, this is new, this is a separate monitor that I use to monitor all of the internals of my PC, from how hot the CPU gets, to the fan, to utilization, to the time, to my RAM, and then the BIOS version of my CPU. I still have my Anker Dock, although I might swap this out for something different later on, not really sure yet. The monitor has changed as well. My last monitor was an LG 27-inch 2K. This is still an LG, and it's still a 27-incher, but it's now an OLED panel gaming monitor as opposed to just a simple LED, and it is a 240 megahertz as opposed to 144 megahertz, so I get a little bit smoother video images when I'm gaming. And my Stream Deck has changed. Well, the last one was just an Elgato Stream Deck Mark II. This is the Neo. This is something I bought or ordered through VidCon. When I was at VidCon in June, they were having a promo on these. It was the first time I ever saw Elgato at an event like VidCon, so I immediately bought this with the discount, and pretty much it's pretty awesome. I have a link down below for that if you want to take a look at that. This is a new keyboard. This is basically a Keychron. So if you're not familiar with Keychrons, I'll link down below for these as well. But it's a really amazing keyboard as opposed to my Corsair that I had. This works much better. I like this. Very hard to get. Can't get them up here in Alaska. I was able to get one at Micro Center when I was down there, and I love that. Still have the same Corsair mouse. The mat's different. I had an RGB version. Now this is just a regular mat. Here's changed a little. I now have a GoPro as well as a DJI, and I also have the Osmo Pocket 3 over there. But I have, these are known as iFootage articulating arms. These are the spider crab arms. These are the 7-inch ones. I don't have the 11-inch ones. I might buy one. I'm not sure yet. But these are the 11-inch ones. I had the small rig versions. I find that these are much more, these are much better quality build, and that's why I swap between them. And I love the fact that they also have a quick release where I can simply just, that's the latch, press this button in, then that just lifts up. And then when I'm done, put it down, hear a click, latch it, and that's good to go. Otherwise, I still have my sound panels here. These are Elgato, basically a sound dampening, because in my room, obviously audio matters when it comes to making any type of video. You don't want a lot of echo. That's what these are designed to kind of absorb that echo. Put one on my door as well, because your door also absorbs, also reflects a lot of sound, so that's going to absorb that. Still have my OLED there, and pretty much everything else is the same in terms of what I've had. Not much has changed other than I have a lot more space and a lot more efficient space to utilize everything that I have on my desk, to put everything where I need it. I still have my Amaran 60D key light. I'm going to keep this thing forever until it just no longer works, but it is being powered now by a V-mounted battery as opposed to me just simply just plugging it into the wall. I do have 2 V-mounted batteries. Actually, I have a third one I just ordered because they had a sale at Small Rig. This is a 50-watt one. This one here at the bottom that I just had right here, this one is a newer one that I just bought. This one is by Newer. This one was also a good deal that they had during Amazon Prime Days. It was a steal. And then they had another one from Small Rig, just like this one, only it was a 99-watt one as well, but it was $112 as opposed to the colored version, which was like actually more just for the fact that they were colored. So I bought another one, so I'm actually going to have 3 of these. One of these powers my FX30. One I'll just have as a spare. I'll probably put the 99-watt one on this one, and then it's just basically just a Condor Blue D-tap plugged into that, and that's how that works. And then that's also new. That's my Ulanzi carrying package or carrying bag for my Osmo Pocket 3. And then this is the only other thing that's changed. I had a 4-drawer kind of shelving unit. Now I have a 5-one because I needed more drawers to add some more stuff. Everything is the same, except for now I have 2 drawers for like snacks. So if you're a gamer, you pretty much know, snacks. This is why you have a lot of it. And so I have 2 drawers for snacks. Then I have an extra one right there. And then I had to move my backpack to the side, but it still works. So you can still pull that in and out without it getting in the way of that. Then that's just my my calendar board, and that's it. So pretty much not much has changed. I mean, I did do a lot of changes in terms of what I've had, but it works perfectly fine for me. And like I said, I don't have a huge room. I don't have anything like that I can do for like a lot of content, like you see a lot of other larger YouTube channel YouTubers do. But a good thing also, and it's just something that I want to do a quick shout out, is that I finally reached 5K subscribers. I am happy. I've been doing YouTube forever, and now that I've reached 5,000 subscribers, now my goal is to reach 10,000 before February, March of next year. I know I can do it because I've been grinding it. And I want to thank everybody who's been watching my channels, who's been liking it, and to all my subscribers. I thank you guys for keeping up your support of my channel. And that's all that I got for you guys. And I want to thank everybody for watching again. I'll have a link down below for all the stuff that I talked about if you want to take a look at it. Otherwise, again, if you're new to my channel, my name is Michael Checked, and if this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Otherwise, if you're new, please think about hitting that subscribe button. and I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh, one more thing. I do have some more GoPro and some DJI accessories that I'll have popping up in the next day or two because I'm on vacation till Wednesday, and I'll be we'll be adding some, talk about some accessories for both the Osmo Pocket 3 as well as the DJI 4, and I got the 5 coming, and so I will be talking a lot about that as well. Otherwise, see you guys in the next video. Enjoy, happy fall, enjoy your week.